Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and connect a new Oculus Quest 2 controller. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your particular Oculus Meta Quest app on your mobile phone and simply sign in. Once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear. Simply allow all of the permission as it asks for you. Once you have done so, you can simply tap on this pair your headset on top. Go ahead, tap on it. Now enable Bluetooth, allow, and then simply go to your app and simply pair the Meta Quest, that headset that you have. Simply upon doing that, you will be able to tap on this continue and simply choose not now, and simply once you have done pairing up, you will simply enter the code and you are good to go. Once you have done pairing up your headset, all you have to do is go back, and then you're gonna tap on this menu icon given in the below right corner of the section, and here in this section you will be able to access lots of icons on top, which includes this option of devices. Go ahead, tap on it and tap on this connect new device. Now again, once you have done connecting your headset, you will be able to access this controller option. All you have to do is tap on it and tap on this add a new controller. Once you have tapped on that, you will be able to follow the steps that are given. All you have to do is confirm them all, and you will be able to check out the battery health, power, etc. Once you have connected your controller, you can again tap on it and you will be able to check on it. So that is a simple process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.